All right, hi Will, it's Miss Coddington. Okay, I've put a couple arrows on your paper, and these are the spots where I think you can make some grammatical changes and also just in general make your paper a little better. I actually really like your paragraph because it's clear and concise, and I know exactly what you mean. So the first arrow right up here at the top, you see right where I put that blue dot, according to the article, I know that's what I wrote on the board, but I think, now that I think about it a little bit more, I think it would be better if you refer to exactly what that article was. So you could say, according to a study done by Anderson Cooper or done by CNN or whatever. That way we have a real context for what this article is. Second arrow. If someone is a bully, what do you need right there to kind of break that sentence up? You've got an introductory phrase, so you need a comma, right? So let's take a look at that content-wise. If someone is a bully, other kids will not like that person because they are hurting innocent people. You're exactly right, and that's exactly what the study says. But see if you can also refer to the study there. And see if you can find something in the study where you can give some specific information. What you say makes sense, but can you be even more specific? Next sentence. Also, studies show that kids switch places. I like that. It's clear from you're talking about the study. I know exactly what you're saying. You've used a transition word also. This means, and in fact, you don't need the comma there, so get rid of it. Because you could just say, this means people who bully others eventually get bullied either by others or by the original victim. Great, that whole thing makes sense. In the book Inside Out, if it's a book, what do you need to do? And again, you've got an introductory phrase. In the book Inside Out, comma, two robbers are being bullies to their hostages by calling them names and pointing guns at them. Exactly right. You need a sentence or two afterwards because you need to tie that example that you've used about bullies to your thesis. So why did those two robbers show that being a bully doesn't help a kid's social status? Well, they're being bullies, and what does it do to their social status? You don't have a whole lot of information because they're not at school, but I think you can make an argument about how the people are reacting to them, right? So all in all, great job. Fix those little things, and I think this will be a great paragraph. I'm also noticing one more thing. It is a paragraph, so what do you have to do to the very first word? All right, good job, Will.